Today, I will go over the Unity asset I'm currently using in my project. I'm gonna show you the most frequent one, why I'm using it, and where to get it from. All of the links from the asset I'm gonna present in this video you can find in the description below. Rainbow folders too. Keep your project organized. If your Unity project is getting messy, this tool is a lifesaver. It lets you color code your folders so you can instantly spot your scripts, scenes, or assets without digging through a sea of directories. Just hold Alt, click a folder, and pick a color. DoTween, easy and smooth animations. This asset is a must-have for animating sprites and objects. It comes in a free and pro version, so you can try it out before upgrading. With tons of built-in easing functions, you can create smooth, professional-looking animation with just a few lines of code. Asset Inventory 2. Find any asset instantly. Over time, I have collected hundreds of assets, models, textures, sounds, you name it. Searching through them manually? No thanks. Asset Inventory 2 let me browse and find any asset in my collection, without even importing it into my project. Honestly, this should be a built-in Unity feature. Asset Hunter Pro, clean your project. Ever finished a project only to realize you have tons of unused files? Going through them manually would take forever. Asset Hunter Pro scans your project and finds everything you are not using, so you can delete unnecessary files and reduce your game build size, especially important for mobile games. Pro Camera 2D, Ultimate Camera Control. If you are making a 2D or 2.5D game, you need this asset. It gives you a smooth camera movement, parallax effect, zoom, camera rail, cinematic transitions, and so much more. Setting up a polished, dynamic camera in Unity has never been easier. These are the assets I always have in my projects. If you haven't checked them out yet, I highly recommend giving them a try. A link are in the description. If there is any more asset which I didn't cover here, please comment below, so it might be helpful for me and for other developers. So that's it what I have prepared for today. Hopefully you have a wonderful day and I will see you again in the next video.